This is the unboxing and my initial impressions of the Bose QuietComfort 45, or also known as the QC 45s. The 45s are the successor to the Bose QC 35, which came out in 2016. Let's start with the unboxing of the headphones. On the front of the box, you have a picture of the Bose headphones, including the wording Bose QC, and if we flip to the back, we get a little bit more information about the headphones and its features, such as premium audio sound, world-class noise cancellation, transparency mode, noise rejection mic, and Bose Music app. We can open the box by simply lifting the top of the box like that. And inside the box, you will get the headphones stored in its hard shell case in the plastic wrap. The case, just like the ones that came with the 35s, should do a good job protecting the headphones when you have to travel with them, and we'll take a look at that in a second. We also get some paperwork with the headphones, and the paperwork just tells us what we can do with the headphones, some of its features, and a setup guide. I'll put that away. Now we have the headphones themselves stored inside a nice hard shell case. We can go ahead and unzip this case to reveal the headphones. The headphones are folded nicely in this case and we can easily take them out. We also have a 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable if you don't want to use the headphones wirelessly. I do wish the cable was a little longer. We also have a 12-inch charging cable. One thing to note is that the 45s will charge via USB-C, which is a change from the QC35s, which charged via micro USB, and that should also provide faster charging. Bose has claimed that charging the headphones can take about 2.5 hours, but you can get almost 3 hours of playback from just charging them for 15 minutes. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. These are the black editions of the headphones, and like I said, these headphones are available in a white color as well, but I prefer the black color better. On first glance, these headphones look very similar to the QC35s, but there are some small noticeable differences. The first thing we'll notice is that these headphones are a bit heavier than the 35s, and that's because the 45s are 8.5 ounces compared to the 35s, which are only 6.64 ounces. This is most likely due to the internals being better as well as the battery. On the left hand side, we have the charging port where we can plug in our USB-C charging cable. We also have the volume up and volume down buttons, as well as the center button, which will let you pause and play audio as we skip tracks. And on the same side, we have the power button as well as the Bluetooth pairing button. And on the right side, we have a multi-function button. This will let you cycle through some features such as noise cancellation and things like that. We also have the headphone jack where we can plug in the included audio cable. So one of the bigger differences from the QC35s to the 45s is that these headphones have a better microphone, and the reason for that is there are now 4 built-in microphones, which is a little bit more than the ones that were found on the last model, and this will allow you to get better audio for phone calls. Other major differences between the 35s to the 45s include some design changes. The underside of the headphones now have a very smooth finish, and this will allow the headphones to feel much nicer when they are on your head. The ear cups and ear pads also have slight differences between the 35s and the 45s. The headphones are also now made with more durable material. Bose says that the impact resistance glass-filled nylon will reinforce the headphones to protect itself against any falls and maintain its shape. I haven't done any type of stress tests on these headphones other than just using them around the house, but I'm pretty confident that the new material as well as the hard case will do a good job of protecting these headphones from any serious damage. As far as the overall sound goes, I've been pretty impressed with the quality in my limited time with the headphones. Now, I don't consider myself to be some kind of audio expert or sound expert, but for most of my daily music listening, these are very good. The overall sound quality is rich and vibrant, and I can say it's much better than most of the wireless headphones that I've used. Anyways, that has been a quick unboxing and first look at the Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones. Please let me know if you want to see any more videos with these headphones in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.